how to turn on comment likes notifications on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on comment likes notifications on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and now just click these three lines in the top corner and click settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find comment likes, and then just click on it one click, and that's it. And this is of course, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.